So over here, you can see that I got the text in certain size and color right here. If you want to go ahead and change around the overall text size and color style in the page, you can simply go to the style section and then go to text size and color. So here you can see that I got body text size right here. You can go ahead and change the color right here, and the change is applied right here, just like this. You can go ahead and make changes to the title, let's say for example as well. And as you do that, as long as they are there, the title color will be changed right here. Similar thing goes for the subtitle as well, as you can see, and for the item colors. As long as they are there, you'll see the change, as I said right here, just like this. You can go ahead and change, and then as you do that, you can even go ahead and change around the size of the text right here, like that is for the item subtitle, let's say for example, for the item title right here. So as you go ahead and make the change right here, just like this, you can see that it takes effect in the overall page itself. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the text size and color style as you need inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe